How to copy and paste on an Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily copy and paste text on your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to copy and paste text. The first thing we need to do is just open an app or find some text that we want to copy. So now all we need to do is long press the text that we want to copy. And you'll see that it'll highlight some of it. Now we can drag the little pins at the beginning and end of the highlight to highlight more. And then once you're ready, in the menu above that, select Copy. So now that we've copied it, you'll see a little clipboard icon show up in the bottom of your keyboard right here. We could select that and it'll show us what we've copied. But now all we need to do is put our cursor where we want to paste, long press, and then in the new menu that appears, you could select Paste right there. Another way to paste is to open up the clipboard. We could do that by selecting the 4 dots in the top menu up here, then find clipboard, select it. And if you don't have it turned on, go ahead and turn it on. But after you've turned it on, you'll see a history of the things that you've copied. And to paste, all you need to do is select them and it'll paste it above. That's how you copy and paste on an Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.